Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to teach you how to make barber cape reusable and sustainable. And I want to show you that the barber cape that we get it, which is a nice plastic, it rips, they don't last long. The one that I'm going to do it, which like this one, it's like we can't even recycle them back. So I bought material, which it is nylon material, fabric I should say. I'm going to show you how to cut them, how to do it so you can use it at home for your children, for your family. It's very easy way, simple way, and they will last for a long time for you. Which I've been a hairdresser for, I can say 35 to close to 40 years, and I always done my own, which it doesn't cost me that much, and it lasts for me forever when I do it. So even I have capes that lasted for me for 30 years. So today I want to show you, this is a nylon material, which I cut it the length of the, let's say my length. It depends how much you have, how long, how tall do you want to do it. But definitely you want the length to cover the family's need, customers, the kids, whatever, whoever you're going to use to. So this now nylon, the material, we fold it in half, okay? And then because when the cape you put on you, it has to cover the back too, just like this, when you put them. So you need a back part too over here. So what you have to do is, when you fold in two, at least about 1 feet, I measure with my hands, at least 1 feet you have to fold, so this part it goes in the back, and the rest it hangs on your customer or to your family, whoever, if you do the job at home. And what you do is, the first thing, after you measure 1 feet, with your size of a fist hand, you measure one like this, and then goes like this. So what it is the fist is the size of your neck will be. So you can cut just like the size of your hands, which will be, it's about, I think about like 3 inch. But like I said, it's a size of your hand. You cut it like this way, and you go round. There you go. Now when I open it, you're gonna see the part of the neck. At the same time, you fold this back. That's what I'm showing you. It's folded like this. Before you open it, you have to cut from the top of the back, which is, will be the part of the neck over here. This is the way it will be, and you will see how it will cover the back part to protect you from getting hair and everything. So now I'm going to start to sew. What I have to show you, that now when you sew your apron, what you have to do, you have to fold the material at least twice. Can you bring it closer? So when I'm gonna sew it, I have to fold twice, one like this and one like that, and then I have to sew all around, including the neck part and outside. Now I'm gonna start to sew it, and I'm gonna show you. All right, now this is how you start it. This is the material. Like I said, you will fold just once like this and another one like that, and you put under the needle. And it will become, the sewing machine is very, very handy for everybody. It's always nice to have it, that you can use for a lot of stuff. You can use children clothes, you can make your own things, whatever there is. It's very, very beautiful to have the sewing machine. I really do enjoy it. You can make aprons for kitchens and everything. So now, what you have to do, you just hold it like this, this is the first layer, and then you hold it. Why do we fold this? Because it has threads comes out, so we have to sew this. Take your time and don't rush, and it will be very beautiful job like you see it over here. So now I'm gonna go all around the apron. It's gonna take kind of a little bit time, so I'm gonna stop the video and then I'm gonna show you what I've done. Now I'm almost around the neck part. When you come at the neck part, what you do is, again over here we will fold. Let me take this out for a minute. You can pull it, and here is the neck, which is the neck part. We cut it. It's a circle, so wherever the circle is, you take your scissor and you make a little notches. You make little cuts because when you circle it, it will pull the material. Usually we put another piece, but I like to have it all at once. So what do? I just snip it here and there, little notch, so it makes it easier to curve the neck part, just like this. So here we fold it again, and you see wherever the notch is, it makes it easier to fold and to sew. All right, we go back under. See, do you see over here what it pulls? So you can make a little bigger notch, just a little bit more, about kind of 3/4 inch. So it makes it easier and smooth to go. There you go. Here we turn them. See, it makes it much easier. Like I said, you can put another material and do it, but I like that when the customers, they feel comfortable around their neck and it doesn't bother them extra material, because sometimes hair gets into the material, it itches them and whatever. So I'm gonna go do this all and I will show you when it's finished. Okay, now I'm all done. You will see how nice job it's done. There's no thread, there's nothing. Some places that I was cutting the thread, we can always cut with the scissor, the extra thread like this. So this is the neck part. Now I'm gonna show you. That this is the way it will be. Here we go, this is the back. It will be nice to protect your customer from getting hair on it. And I tell you that bigger you make, it's better, because the customer, they don't have to try to cover themselves, slip away. So you can buy your own material and you make it very comfortable way to protect them. Now we have to put the Velcro in the back. I'm sure everybody knows the Velcro, which is, this is it. One side is, you know, like they stick to each other. I'm sure everybody knows. They sell it this all over the places. You can find it from Walmart. You can find from Joann's, and sometimes you can put even clips on it if you want. But I'm going to put the Velcro. So here I just like put it on. I'm going to just go stitch on it. I kind of tightened up a little bit, but I have to show you again. See, the face, the surface, you put it up, and this will go on top later on. And this is the way you can use it. So let me finish this stitch to this side. And just take your time and don't rush it. It's really beautiful thing it is when you do it at home to yourself. So this is one side. Now when you put the Velcro, one of them has to be outside, one of them it has to be from inside. So when you put the apron, of course, it comes on top of each other. So you hold the bottom part together like this. Let's put this thing away. You put them together. This is the neck part. And here you put the other side in the back. So do not forget, don't get confused. This goes out and this one goes down. Doesn't matter which one you put where. It can be vice versa, but it has to be like this way so it comes on top of each other. So we're gonna put now this one, and then will be done. It's really very nice to have it, this, like I said, little sewing machine at home. It's always, you can use it. It's fun to do things. I made my own children's outfit. I made a lot of clothes. I made even the wedding, what they call, to the bride's veils. When you have it, it's very simple and very easy way, and it's fun to do it. One day I will show you how to make a veil, which people, they spend too much money on that it's not even funny. And then sometimes the machine has backwards, that if you want to secure, it goes back and it goes forward again. Okay. Let's all, well, every time that you're gonna turn the things, make sure your needle is into the material in a cloth. So this way it doesn't move left and right. Okay, this is the last. There we go. Go backward again to secure, couple steps. Go back again forward. Go down and then twist, and that's it. You go forward, backward again, forward, and here we're done. Okay, so this is the apron that we cut it, and here we're done. I wish I had a model, but I'm going to be my own model to show you. Here it is. It didn't took time. It didn't took so much time. It was very simple. This will last for you for a long time. Even I make a little aprons for myself when I cut hair, but just a regular apron. It's very, very handy machine to have it and do it your own work. So thank you for watching again. Like I said, this will be always usable. You can cut them another time. You can make something different out of it. It's always recyclable. All right, I hope you try it and you'll succeed. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.